Oh! The animation here is crazy! Hey yo! What's good everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'll be reacting to a brand new music video done by the SB19 gang. So this video is called DAM, D-A-M music video. So with this being said, you all know, let's go.
Ano bang pakiramdam? Dati lang, payapa, malaya at puno ng pagmamahal ang lahat. Naglaho ng dahil sa makamundong kasakiman. Paano po ba iingatan ang kaibigaan kung ang kapaligiran na ang kalaban? Paano ba hihigitan pa ang dulo ng kabutihan? At paano ba wawakasan ang isang bagay na hindi naman nagawang simulan? Ano bang pakiramdam?
This is ugly, but alam mo naman.
Oh, wait. So this is what we're gonna experience now? It can't be, bro. It can't be. It can't darn be, bro. It can't be. No way, bro.
Dami like it, diligid, kasamaisi. Kahit na ano pa yan, kambay me. Ba't siya ka nadudol pag may dumating na maitim na ulap ako kikiligin?
Yes, bro. Yes. This is dope, bro. This is dope. One thing about these guys, they never come with nothing average. Always unique with such extraordinary storyline. Good at storytelling, bro.
Anong pakiramdam? Umalis na walang hanggang. Di ba sa kadampang mong katabi sa lahat na isipin mo ito? Sa inito, lahat kilipon. Kahit ilikan, lahat nagriba. Hanggang ko lang kumalasan.
Yo! Yes, bro. Yes. Energetic video, bro. Righty then. This is actually the sickest music video I saw since March started. The sickest. Yo. Good gosh, bro. Wow. This is like a movie. I'm watching a movie in a theater.
Bakit ba nagkaganto? Ang daming tukso, bawat takbang laging may gulo. Pagkamalas, ba't ko galing tumakbo? Dito lang ako, kasalanan ko lahat ng to.
Wow. Impressive. This is a whole entire scenery. The dancers are back. The king of dancing is back. Yo!
Bombay sa paggusto.
Two scenes, I'm all hands with two hands.
Oh my god! Great! What an awesome tune to my ears, bro. Oh my gosh, yo. These guys are way above my league, bro. Above my league.
Huwag
Yeah, maksikal susunugin. Yeah, life's a bliss, cause I'm the great, the best. Pessimist and y'all cannot contest. Racists don't excite me, not the famous. Possible, but this never ends. Nasaan ba yung mga
They kill it. They darn kill it. Pra! Pra! Pra!
kung di naman kaya tumayong mag-isa?
Oh my god, yeah, I love this video so much, bro. I love it, bro. Sweet video, man.
Bawat hakbang lang
Oh! The animation here is crazy. The effects are superb. Timely. Yes, bro. Yes. So much is in this video. It's such a relaxing video, bro. Nice.
laging may gulo pagkamalas.
Ba't di ko galing tumakbo? Dito lang ako. Kasalanan kong lahat ng to. Nakumpay sa paggusto.
Wow. Extra impressive, bro. Extra impressive. And you know the details in this video is so refreshing, so refined, man. It's giving you the vibe to listen more and more and more.
Ang lahat ay may dahilan. Huwag ka na, sige lang sa
Yo, these guys, they deserve a Grammy. They deserve to be on the Billboard Hot 100, Billboard Hot 200. Deserve to get millions of streams, bro. Everything, bro, in this video, it's freaking well done. Well done, man. This video deserves to be out there, an award as well. This voice is freaking. Yo, I love this voice. I love this voice so much, bro. So much, man. What the fuck? Yo, what am I looking at here, bro? Is this a movie? Is this an actual movie? No way, dog. No way, bro. No way. No freaking way.
Bakit ba nagkaganto? Ang daming tukso. Bawat hakbang laging may gulo.
Get down. Bow. Yes. Oh my god, bro. Impressive. Yo.
Pagkamalas, di ko galing tumakbo.
These guys, bro. I love it. Love it. When teamwork is being put together, you know you can get a very unbreakable bond, bro. Trust me. A force to be reckoned with.
Tulang ako, kasalanan ko lahat ng to. Nakumpay sa paggusto.
Anong pakiramdam? Anong pakiramdam?
Anong pakiramdam?
Anong pakiramdam?
Yo, these guys, bro. These guys, bro. I love this, man. You guys have done extra well. Extra well.
Anong pakiramdam sa paggusta?
Well done, guys. SB19, that was very superb. Very good video. Enjoyed every bit of that performance. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man. Peace.